Hey everyone, welcome to the Heath Street Minute. 1 minute of knowledge coming at you. This is week 2 of Sanding 101. This week we're asking, what's the difference? Last week we learned that minerals are what comprise the grit of sandpaper, and that the minerals used can vary. Today we're going to focus on 2 of those minerals. Let's start with garnet. Garnet has a low degree of friability, which means as you use it, it is going to dull. And when sandpaper gets dull, it's done! Get rid of it! On the other hand, we have aluminum oxide. Now, aluminum oxide has a high degree of friability, which means as you use it, the minerals are going to break off and leave behind fresh, new, sharp edges. Yes! So, those new sharp edges are essentially a second life for your sandpaper. Now, friability is determined by heat and pressure. So, cool your jets and let your sandpaper live long and prosper.